mo? Totoo ba na natawag mo na babe si Lela? Thank you for that wonderful
I believe it. Well, I mean, yes. Kasi nung panahon na yun, kasi ayun, so kami yung gaganap sa parents ni Marco. So parang pinag-uusapan namin, how do we address each other? Kumbaga, so we were asking Marco, oh, how do your parents address each other? So parang, acting ako na, okay, I'm Marco's dad, and I'm gonna call you. So ayun, I did call her babe, but it was acting. It's like, tapos, parang, naramdaman ko na, I felt like she didn't know I was acting. So kaya sabi ko, oh, sorry, my bad. So, so ayun po.
Mahaba yung explanation. O, di ba? Okay. I love the answer. Good answer, guys. Good answer. Okay, next. Maganda yung game natin. Maganda. Okay.